Hello everybody, welcome to the Magic Kingdom, welcome to our weekend travels today. We're outside of Tiana's Bayou Adventure. It doesn't even look like Splash Mountain anymore. So today I'm going to take you over Tiana's. What new improvements, features have been added to Splash Mountain? No longer Splash Mountain, former Splash Mountain. Now Tiana's Bayou Adventure. I'm also going to take you around the park. Today kicks off the official first day of spring break in Orlando, the crowds of 2024. So let's kick off right here, right now, right in front of Tiana's. So if you can see behind me, it no longer looks like a mountain, I guess. They're trying to make it look more like the Bayou, which has no mountains and is super flat, but they're trying. They do have the water going today. Take a walk down below so we can get a better view. There we go. Zoom in over here, we can see a lot better. So there is the track. Have no water coming down from that area. As you can see, there is a lot of Spanish moss, which, fun fact, is actually native to Central Florida. About Spanish moss is that triggers and lice like to live inside of Spanish moss. But you know, not here in Disney World, never. So then I can also see inside of there are little potion bottles hanging from there. I'm really excited. So my guess on when this is gonna kick off, they said, I'm trying to get me and it into the frame. Let's go like this. They said summer of 2024. So I'm guessing between June and August. Just because I guess things are coming along a lot faster than they projected. So let's take a walk around and let's see what there is to see. Take a look at the signs here. So these signs have been up since they put the wall up. The wall has been up since they drained this when they shut down Splash Mountain. There's still scaffolding up, which leads me to believe that they are still hanging stuff, but you know. Oh, Disney squirrel. Hello, Walt. I officially call all the squirrels Walt. Always flapping his tail. You see that? It's cute. Alright. So they do have the windows all covered up. The briar patch door is still there. So last time I came here, I wasn't positive whether or not they put new stuff up or not, or if it was still the stuff from before, but I'm guessing it was all the stuff from before. Yep, windows are all covered up, so they're definitely going to town. Redecorating for sure. It's too bad we couldn't see through here, but okay, and then that. It almost sounds like this one's all covered up too. So before last time I came here, I was reporting on these windows, and I was not sure if it was what we had seen before because I couldn't quite remember. Or if it was new. It was still the old stuff still sitting in here, which is incredible to me that they would even have anything left over. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get up on the railroad platform, get a look from up there. That might be even a better view once the line goes down, and then yeah, I'll continue to look around.
But please in the meantime stay seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. Thank you. All clear, everyone. Have a room.
I'll swim upstream as fast as I can.
Yeah, they're making this as flat as possible. Like, there's no more. I mean, you can still see where the top is, like way up here. But there used to be that big spire that used to be up at the top. I don't think I mean, I'm gonna love the ride. I'm not trying to be that person, whatever. I'm gonna love the ride, honestly. What's that little look up there? But, you can't tell me this is the Bayou. You know what I mean? It's gonna be really hard to believe that this is the swamp that's here. Let's see what, I'm being positive. Let's see what else is around the corner. I got some footage from what it looks like on the other side. So we can, let's go to the restrooms. How about, let's see what we can see from the restrooms. So they've pulled down the birdhouses. They've got the mural up. What else? What else? Because I feel like I've reported on a lot of this stuff. Let me step off to the side. Oh, well, that's all different. There's a better look of it. Again, if I could get up on the platform right now, that would be really nice. Although I might be able to, but getting back down will be a toughie. I am curious about the pennies though. Hold on. This is what it currently looks like right now outside of Big Thunder Mountain. Normally, Big Thunder Mountain is about a 20-minute wait. Right now it's just 75 minutes. This is the longest I have ever seen the line. It switches back several times. This is spring break in Orlando. Day one. Not surprised. There's the line for the railroad. Again, normally about a 5-minute wait, 10-minute wait, or 15-minute wait depending on what you're looking at. Today I'd say more like 40 minutes. Water's running, that's a good sign. Looks like they're emptying the water again, like last time I was here. Like back in the shadows. Oh, that's cool. Maybe there's gonna be none? That's cool. Yeah, so the log blooms are out and about. I'm wondering if they were already testing them. It looks like they're emptying the thing again. There's a cast member round and making her strides around. Pretty cool.
What was that one?
Okay, so I mean, I'm not surprised by the crowds right now with it being spring break and all. Wow, look back there towards Big Thunder Mountain. Directly in front of us, Magic Kingdom, or the castle, and Haunted Mansion, which is where everyone wants to go. Also, right now, currently, back in this area, in this direction, is Pirates of the Caribbean, and a little birdie walking by said it was like 40 minutes. So everyone right now, I guarantee, is heading to the Pirates of the Caribbean. I'm gonna check the wait times. So right now in the park, currently everything, almost everything, is like about a 70-minute to 75-minute wait. Space Mountain, 115. Oh, wow. So let's go check out the Country Bear Jamboree, or what is formerly known as the Country Bear Jamboree. It has closed down. It is closed for retheming. All the doors, everything is all boarded up. It's right next to Pecos Bills here. I figure I got a good look. Got a good look at Tiana's. Maybe we'll see it from the other side. So this whole exterior facade, this prairie, post and supply Looks like a place to go into. It says general store, candies and drinks, and hardware and seed. This is all the Country Bear Jamboree. This is the waiting area. This is where the magic happens. And then outside in this window, see, they still have, this window is the same. I wonder if it's going to change at all, or if they're going to add it, or what they're going to do, but I doubt it. I really doubt they're going to change much. Again, it's just I heard the names. Everyone's waiting for it. Oh no. Oh no. I need to get out of this area. So that's all different. They pulled that all down. What they got out front. That sign was there when they closed it. That's still the same. I was kind of hoping to see more happening sooner. Okay, let's get the heck out of here. When you start to see crowds sitting on the sides waiting, it means they're waiting for a parade, which kicks off on the other end of the park, and I think eventually makes its way over here, which is why everyone's waiting. I think I want to be on the side where I won't get trapped. Let's go do. And then from out here, you can see there's like a little shack with like a little water trough and slide. So you can see out front here. Oh, and it says Tiana's. So there's a lot of changes that have been made to the exterior of Tiana's, which is really cool. I can't wait to see the ride open. While I was standing there looking at the flume, of course, someone asked me if like I knew when the park, or when, if like, or no, if I knew if like they were testing. And from what I could see was that they had been testing, but they were emptying everything out. The last time I went and checked it out, they were emptying everything out. So one of these days I'll get to catch it. But I did see the logs hanging out in the back, just chilling, straight up chilling in the back. So that was pretty cool. I didn't see any kind of, I don't like how the last log flumes had like a rabbit on them. I didn't see anything like that this time. It just looked like a, I guess like a stump. That's all it looked like. It just looked like a stump. So there's Tortuga Tavern. Let me show you the crowds. This is the crowds. Again, first day of spring break, and let me reiterate, the park never looks like this. On like a normal, on a normal day, the park does not look like this. So 70-minute wait, no. Jack's not at his normal spot. It's too busy. Too many people. That's what Pirates looks like. Oh, there's actually a wait of people for the tiki, which that's not normal. And of course, the wait time for the Jungle Cruise is about 75. Let's follow the Philharmonic out as we leave the park. That's cool. Alright. There's a look. So there is a look at what's going on at Tiana's. what's going on at the park today, the first official day of spring break for Orlando. I'm actually, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. Leaving the park, saying goodbye to the Magic Kingdom. Okay, everybody. Again, thanks for watching Her Weekend Travels. Really hope you enjoyed that. Hope it was informative. I want to go and start doing more information on my channel. Facts, cool stuff like that you wouldn't normally know about Disney World that I have discovered upon my research. Thank you again for everybody for joining. Subscribe. Please subscribe. It helps the channel so much. Subscribe and like. I'm almost at 500 subscribers. Soon we can start doing memberships and super chats and stuff like that so you can help support this channel so I can do more. Thank you so much for watching. Love everybody. Bye-bye.
Your order, off.